Blues Harp 5.9 fans, check it out. You're looking at my patio. They said 4 to 6 inches of snow we're supposed to get today. Well, I see 8 to 10. It's supposed to snow another 10 to 8, about another 10 hours before it goes. So as you can see, way too much snow. I'm about to attempt to drive in this in about 1.5 hours. So there you go, guys. Our first snowfall. Blues Harp's 5.9 snow porch. Okay, I think we got about 10 inches already. It's getting windy too. So, all right, peace out, guys. 15 miles an hour. Cars in the ditches. Look off to your left up here. You'll see what I'm talking about. Car going the wrong way. Spun out. As you can see, people are taking it a little too fast. Snow's up under the frame. I at least got in the driveway. There's my other car. That son of a bitch didn't go in the snow at all. Just going to show you guys. We got dumped down. Snow, snow, snow. Hold on. There you go, guys. That thing didn't even go. It's about a foot deep here, so. Alright, peace out, Blues Harp 5.9. You gotta run there. There you go, car's buried out there. Alright.